Situation. You just came from vacation where you took so many photos and now you don't know what to do with them. Let me help you. First, you need to choose a couple photos from the resulting pile of photos. That will be enough for the most memorable moments. I know it's hard, but you have to choose the best of the best, rejecting good and choosing really masterpieces. Now, open your Photoshop and drag these photos into it. If your photos are like mine in RAW format, then Photoshop will open the Camera Raw panel. If not, then open it manually. Filter, Camera Raw filter. I have already made a video about this panel, which I have in detail all functions, you can watch it here. Today's goal is a bright contrast atmospheric photo without unnecessary details. If you are a newbie in Camera Raw, you can drag all sliders to the right or left to see in which position the photo looks the best. Also, there is auto preset which you can use, but I don't like it. So I made the photo brighter in the light panel, then adjusted the white balance and added saturation in the color panel. Then I made the photo clearer in effects, adjusted the curve to more contrast, edited each color in the color mixer, made color grading for more atmosphere, removed chromatic aberrations in optics and opened it. The photo is much better than was, but these wires drive me crazy. I am going to remove them using selecting and filling it contained a wire. This is a very long and boring process, but the result will surprise you. I'm done. I already thought that I would rather shoot myself than finish it, but just look at the result, no wires. Now just export the finished photo and do the same with the remaining 9 photos. Happy shooting!